Is nothing sending out paid tweets via verified accounts on Twitter to make the Pixel 6a look bad? Hello everyone, my name is Kailash. You are watching PhoneOps, and I was just browsing Twitter when I found this out. This is an excellent, interesting topic. We're going to talk about this in this particular video, so stay subscribed. So let's get going and let's see what exactly is going on between the Nothing Phone 1 and the Pixel 6a. Alright, so this right here, of course, is my personal device on which a lot of videos are going to come up comparing this device to a lot of custom ROMs. That's going to be interesting. But for now, what we have is, every now and then I keep surfing around Telegram, Twitter, and one of my good fellow YouTubers, Phones Pop, brought this to my notice, subscribe to his channel, that there is something going on Twitter. Now, I am someone who doesn't really use Twitter a lot, but every now and then I am there, right? So there are two things to look for over here. First of all, if you look for Pixel 6a, you should find content which is related to the Pixel 6a, right? So let's go for hashtag Pixel 6a. Now, this is where the interesting story happens to start. Now, as you can see, somebody bought a 6A, they are happy about it, good. But the second post itself, nothing beats nothing. There is no doubt that nothing is great. Guys, aap isi ko buy kare. Okay, this is one tweet, no problem, 4 hours back, right? Now, let's keep scrolling. Similar tweet showing the Nothing Phone 1 to be better than the Pixel 6a. I agree, hardware-wise, it is better. And I'm not saying Nothing is a bad device, but second tweet, okay? Now, one more tweet about 6a, that's fine. Once again, similar person 6 hours back, a sort of a different post, but highlighting the same things, right? Now, once again, a couple of normal Pixel A posts, and another guy over here, 1 hour back, is talking about the specifications. So, once again, this is the third post by the same person. Then Bollywood era, this, I don't know. Once again, so these things are going viral. I really don't understand what exactly is happening here. Now, for me, being a Pixel 6 user, it's nothing like I'm going to say that nothing. Funny, right? Anyways, as if I'm going to say that Pixel 6a is better than the Nothing Phone 1. I'm in a situation wherein I've held both the devices, but I've not used them. So I'm not really going to judge. But what exactly is going on over here? Because the moment you look for Pixel 6a on Twitter, the only thing you are able to find today, especially in the last 6 to 8 hours, is the comparison between Nothing Phone 1 and the Pixel 6a. And everybody is posting almost a similar pic stating that the Pixel 6a doesn't even stand a chance compared to the Nothing Phone 1. Now, this either is paid bad marketing or either something is going on Twitter. Because till now, we were looking for Pixel 6a, right? Now, let's quickly go ahead and look for Nothing Phone 1. So, Nothing Phone 1. Mind you, it was trending. So, hashtag Nothing Phone 1. There you go. And as you can see, can't wait to grab this. There is no doubt. It's as if this phone is just launched today. It's a reincarnation of Nothing Phone 1. Or, maybe some people, if not, I honestly, personally don't believe that Kalpe would do something like this. But understand this is a big company we are talking about. They are new, and the closest competitor right now is Nothing Phone 1. They are just like 1,000-1,500 rupees apart from each other, especially in India during the sale. And evidently, today happens to be the last day of the sale for Amazon and Flipkart. Now, I really don't know who is doing this. It could be Nothing. It could be the seller of, the Nothing Phone 1. I think it's available on Flipkart as well. And Pixel 6a is available on Flipkart as well. So, I really don't know what's the point of doing all this. Because the moment you look for Nothing Phone 1 as well on Twitter, you will hardly find any posts which are directly talking about the phone itself. Everybody is busy comparing it to the 6a. Don't buy the 6a. The 6a is bad. This, that. Now, as much as I would like to agree, I still feel the Google experience would be superior. And there have been a few bugs in the Nothing Phone 1, and there are features which, few features that they have to come around. So all in all, this is very, very weird, very, very strange. And I really, let's see if the official Nothing page has anything to say like this. Are they directly targeting anyone? No. So very, very weird. And if we see here, and these, some of these accounts are not even these, 128 followers, and then say nothing phone one. Let's see, it's the same guy, same person again, and this is another. Okay, so this is a sort of a big amount, 4,362 followers. So I really don't know what exactly is going on here, but something is definitely fishy. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think of Nothing Phone 1 versus the Pixel 6a, and why everybody is tweeting left, right and center stating that the Pixel 6a is bad and the Nothing Phone 1 is better. Let me know in the comment section. See you in another interesting video. Until the next one, keep smiling, take care, goodbye.